You're about to discover the ultimate resource for basketball coaches, packed with championship-tested drills, plays, and coaching tips to save you time, eliminate stress, and accelerate your team's success. At eBasketballCoach, our mission is to help youth and high school coaches engage their players in practice, improve their team skills, and achieve more success on the court. Since 2007, we've helped more than 203,000 coaches with our videos, playbooks, and pre-designed practice plans. Our channel is packed with hundreds of step-by-step instructional videos, including exclusive content from coaching legends like Hubie Brown, Bob Hurley, and Tara VanDerveer. Hit the subscribe button to get the most up-to-date drills, tips, and tactics, and start becoming a better coach today.